Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to have a Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to get a green screen background without one, a green screen, and two, an RTX card. So let's get into it. Right, so first off, we're going to use Snap Camera. So download it. I already have downloaded it. Install it. Run the installer. The one thing I will say about Snap Camera is it can be a little bit intensive. So just double check on the FAQ and the resources, what you need to have and stuff like that. So do just double check and so like I say, go to the download. Follow all the instructions. Like I say, it gives you the information what you need as a minimum, but it can be a little bit intensive. So hopefully you've got something a little bit more. So yeah, just to agree that you don't have to put your email in and then just download. I believe they have added a couple of recent updates as well. So once you have that done and dusted, excuse me for having the double OBS. Right, we open up the Snap Camera program. You do come up with they do come up with loads of different ones. Obviously, if you want to use it for other things, the Snap Camera is great for giving you different effects like that one and so on and so forth. But what we're after, and obviously, if you have got using just for the green screen, then you can't really use any other effects with it necessarily. So we're going to just type in green screen and press enter. This one is, I've looked through them, virtually them all. There are slightly different ways you can do it. So with these ones where it's asking you to select an image, I had one, so I've just got a green block, and it does it with that. But the one I found that just does it without any extra is this one. It's pretty much a similar sort of effect. I find it is difficult with the hands. This is why you can't really beat either even the RTX, the Nvidia stuff. Or even a proper green screen, because I've got a proper green screen. Yeah, if you're on my birthday stream, you saw how good that was. So anyway, so yeah, we're going to go with this one. We're going to go back into OBS. As you can see, I've already sort of started doing it. The issue I find with it is you can't really adjust it. You can with others. But anyway, we've added our C920 and the properties of it. You have to add it as a Snap Camera. If you select your Pro HD C920, it will not work. So you have to select Snap Camera out of the drop-down list, press OK, and just for the sake of it, I will show you what we have to do as well, because the whole point of the video. I have just added in a chroma key, because when you add it into OBS, it fills virtually all screen, and yeah, you want to add a chroma key. So you right click, you add, and you click chroma key. Simple as that. And it takes out the background. So it's not a full replacement for it, but with a decent bit of lighting, it can look half decent if you've not got your hands in the scene, or the mic is not in there. It can help with it as well. So I'm not going to be lying and saying it's a full-on replacement. It's not. It's genuinely not. But if you can't afford a green screen, can't afford an RTX card, this is an acceptable, I would say, way of doing it. And obviously then you can put yourself wherever you like on the scene. Or if you do like I do, have the Move Transition plugin and set up a load of hotkeys, or use a Stream Deck to move yourself around the scene. So I will put links to all the downloads and everything in the description, as I always do. As for now, ladies and gents, thank you again. We're gonna go. I'm gonna do this full screen for a change, and yeah, do check out these videos. They could help you with your stream. Catch you in the next one.